Residents in Niigata City in central Japan often enjoy this area for walks and cycling as a place of leisure. However, something strange is happening to its facilities.
この間の日曜日の夜9時過ぎぐらいだったと思います。何かをぶつけてるようなガーンガーンガーンってすごい大きい音が何回も聞こえてましたね。
The loud sound came from the public restroom. There were several holes in the ceiling. According to the city, a sanitary worker discovered that part of the ceiling was broken on August 18th. The damage didn't end there.
子供が遊べる遊具なども置いてあるこちらの公園ですが、共用トイレの部分見てみますと、立ち入り禁止のシールが貼られていて、中に入れなくなっています。
The glass window of a bathroom door in another park about 1 kilometer away was also found broken on August 5th. The door has been temporarily repaired but remains out of order.
何日か前からね、こうなっちゃったからどうしたのかなと思って、だんだんなんかこう物騒になってくるようなね。
Since April, Niigata City has reported to the police several similar incidents where restroom walls and toilet seats have been damaged. Around 800,000 yen, or roughly $5,300 of taxes have been used for repairs. The police are investigating the incident for property damage.